Have you ever peeled a banana, eaten the fruit, and tossed the peel away without a second thought? We've all done it. The peel feels like it exists for only one reason: to be thrown out. But what if that assumption is wrong? What if the part we treat as trash is actually edible? Today, we will learn if we really can eat banana peels and whether it's something worth trying at all, right here on History of Simple Things. At first, the idea sounds strange, even a little gross. Banana peels are thick, fibrous, and bitter. They don't look appetizing, and they definitely don't taste like the sweet fruit inside. So the thought of eating one feels unnatural. But when you look closer, through science, culture, and everyday cooking, the answer turns out to be more interesting than you might expect. The simple truth is that banana peels are technically edible. They aren't poisonous, and eating them won't harm you if they're prepared properly. In fact, in some parts of the world, banana peels have been used as food for generations. The real question isn't whether you can eat them. It's why most of us never even consider it. A big part of the answer comes down to texture. Banana peels are loaded with fiber, which makes them tough and chewy if eaten raw. They also contain compounds that give them a bitter flavor, especially when the banana is still green. Compare that to the soft, sweet fruit inside, and it's easy to see why most people avoid the peel entirely. But here's the interesting part. That same fibrous, bitter peel is packed with nutrients. Banana peels contain dietary fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins like B6 and B12. They also have antioxidants, some of which are linked to anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. In some studies, banana peels even show higher antioxidant levels than the fruit itself. In other words, tossing the peel means tossing out a lot of nutrition. Eating a raw banana peel straight from the fruit is generally not enjoyable. The bitterness and toughness make it hard to chew and digest. But cultures that have embraced banana peels as food almost never eat them raw. Instead, they cook them. Cooking transforms banana peels. Boiling, frying, or stewing softens the fibers and reduces the bitterness. In India, banana peels are often chopped and cooked into curries. In Southeast Asia, they are sometimes stir-fried with spices. In parts of the Caribbean and Latin America, shredded banana peels are seasoned and cooked as a meat substitute, mimicking pulled pork or other textures. When prepared this way, banana peels stop feeling like waste and start acting like a useful ingredient. Of course, there's another reason most people don't eat banana peels: chemicals. Commercial bananas are often treated with pesticides and fungicides to protect them during growth and transport. Since the peel is the outer layer, residues are most likely to remain there. This doesn't mean banana peels are automatically dangerous, but it does mean you need to be cautious. Washing them thoroughly is essential, and buying organic reduces the risk. Cooking also helps remove or break down surface residues. So if you decide to try a banana peel recipe, cleaning and cooking it is the safe route. Another barrier is psychological. From a young age, we learn that some parts of food are meant to be eaten, while others are meant to be thrown away. Apple cores, orange peels, watermelon rinds, these are all considered inedible, even though many are technically safe to eat. Banana peels fall into the same category. Cartoons and jokes didn't help either. Slipping on a banana peel has become a universal symbol of comedy. That cultural messaging sticks, making it hard to even consider eating one. Yet as global food waste becomes a bigger issue, more people are rethinking what we discard. Around a third of all food produced worldwide is wasted. If edible parts like banana peels can be reused, even a little, that's a step toward reducing. Even with all this, moderation matters. Banana peels contain a lot of insoluble fiber. Eating too much at once, especially if your body isn't used to it, can cause bloating, cramps, or digestive discomfort. They're better treated like a vegetable, cooked, seasoned, and combined with other foods rather than eaten plain. Not all banana peels are the same. Riper bananas have thinner, sweeter peels that are easier to cook and digest. Green or underripe bananas have tough, bitter peels. If you're experimenting, start with a ripe banana. It's a lot easier on the taste buds and your stomach. It's also worth noting that banana peels don't taste like bananas. Even when cooked, their flavor is mild, slightly earthy, and absorbs spices or sauces well. This makes them versatile for cooking, but not something you'd eat like a piece of fruit. Think of them more as an ingredient than a snack. So, should you start eating banana peels tomorrow? That depends on your curiosity and your taste buds. If you're willing to wash, cook, and experiment, banana peels are safe and can be surprisingly nutritious. If not, tossing them in the compost or trash is fine too. Either way, the bigger lesson is about questioning assumptions. We throw things away because we've always done it, not because they're useless. Next time you peel a banana, pause for a moment. That peel you usually toss, it might just be food in disguise. With the right preparation, it can add fiber, nutrients, and even flavor to your meals. And at the very least, it's a reminder that sometimes what we see as waste might just be an opportunity we've been overlooking. So, can you really eat banana peels? The answer is yes, but how you do it matters. Cook it, season it, and approach it like any other ingredient. And if you're feeling adventurous, you might just discover a new way to enjoy one of the world's most familiar fruits. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.